Well, hello there, challengees, and welcome to the Always Better Challenge Show, the show designed to help you take steps today that lead to a better and happier tomorrow. I'm your humble host, Joe Bedford. It seems like it's been a long time since I've been here, maybe because it has been. First of all, we did change the schedule of the show, going from a daily show to a weekly show. But then I also got sick, something which fortunately is a fairly rare occurrence, but I was out of commission for a little while there. But I am back in better than ever. At least that's the hope. So at any rate, on today's show, I'm going to give a summary and review of the financial management program Mint. I have discussed Quicken on previous episodes of the show, so today we're going to look at a different option, the software Mint. Mint is a great little program. It's definitely a great value because it's free. Can't beat that. I have been using it myself for several years, in spite of the fact that my finances are probably a little bit more complicated than most people, given that I do own a small business. I only very recently went back to Quicken on my wife's encouragement. She's a CPA. And the one thing, and so this would be, I guess, the first thing to mention about Mint, it does not produce traditional financial reports that an accountant is used to seeing, such as a cash flow statement or a profit and loss statement. And that is something that Quicken does do. So that is one difference right there. So that's why my wife doesn't like it, doesn't like Mint, that is. But I can say that I did do my own spreadsheets using the data that I got from Mint, so I was able to work around the lack of financial statements, at least to my own satisfaction. So that is part of the Mint situation. It is very, appropriate to say that Mint is not intended to be accounting software. It is intended to be money management software primarily for individuals. And it does do a great job of that, I think. Quicken does admittedly offer some features that Mint doesn't have. I do still love Mint, though, for its ease of use, its automation of most tasks, its cloud-based platform, and its clean, modern visual display. Those are all things that I really like about the program personally. I honestly believe that it is one of the best choices for most people in the US and Canada. Unfortunately, one cannot use accounts outside of those countries in Mint at this time. So to begin using Mint, like most money management programs, you're going to set it up to automatically download your financial transactions from your bank. So your bank accounts, PayPal if you use it, your credit cards, your loans, and yes, Mint can handle investment accounts too. You can also manually enter assets such as cars, homes, and home inventory. Once that's done, Mint gives you a very nice little balance sheet right on the main page by adding up your asset accounts, subtracting your liability accounts, and giving you your net worth. Then it's mainly a matter of putting each downloaded transaction into a spending or income category. That's what the main thing you're going to have to do personally in using the program. Mint does come with pre-designated categories, but you can also add your own. And Mint will actually guess at a category based on the vendor, and it does a decent enough job to at least save you a little bit of time on that. Once you've got that going, I would encourage you to visit the budgeting feature next. I love Mint's budgeting feature. Once you've set it up, it's very easy to see exactly where you are at a glance. One feature that even Quicken doesn't offer is a vertical line indicating the current date on the budget screen. So in other words, if it's currently, let's say, the 10th day of the month, that line will be approximately 1/3 of the way across the screen, since we're approximately 1/3 of the way through the month. So that makes it easy to see at a glance whether you're running behind or ahead on your spending, as the horizontal spending graphs pass that line if you're on trend to be over budget. Mint offers many other reports and graphs as well, and it's easy to drill down for further details. You can also pay bills in Mint, although admittedly I never used that feature for some reason. It also offers savings goals, which I used a little bit, and it also allows you to access your credit score. Now, you may ask why all this is offered for free. The answer is that the program is supported by ads. But here's the cool thing about that. The ads are very targeted because they're based on actual data that the program has gathered about you. So you might find the ads more useful than just your normal run-of-the-mill ads. That's their hope, at least. And I think you might find that to be true. They're really tailored to your situation. For example, you might get an ad that says something like, you're paying 15% interest on your American Express card. Here's a card you can apply for with 9.99% interest. Or you might get one that says you're paying more for your car insurance than our average user pays, so you might want to check out this site to compare rates. Or you might get one that says you spend this much on restaurants we see, so why not get 5% cash back on restaurant spending from this card that you can apply for. So pretty cool stuff like that, very targeted. So just to sum it up about Mint, it is free, it is quick and easy to use, and even the ads you might find to be relevant. So if you're in the US or Canada, it's hard to go wrong with Mint unless you need true accounting style reports, an in-depth retirement and tax planner, which are things that Mint does not offer, or the ability to attach scanned receipts to transactions. These are examples of some of the features that Quicken has that Mint does lack. But it does a great job at what it does. So I don't want you to go away thinking that this is a poor choice. As I said, this is a great choice for many of you out there. So that's Mint. I will go ahead and link it up in the show notes. Obviously, I'm not affiliated with the program in any way. It's free, so there's no money changing hands anywhere along the way if you decide to use that. But it is something that I think is worth checking out. So that is it for today's show. It is so great to be back. Hope you're glad to be back with me. If you have not subscribed to the show yet, please do so down below. I'd love for you to give me a like and a comment. And also, I would love for you to sign up for what are weekly emails now. And you can do that at our website, abetterchallenge.com. That's abetterchallenge.com. If I only ask you to do one thing, it's go sign up for the emails. Hey, it's free. Come on, just like Mint. So that's it. As always, thank you so much for watching the Always Better Challenge show. Until next time, I'm your humble host, Joe Bedford, reminding you, as always, to go out there now and make it happen.